Alright, boys and girls, we're back at my friend's house over here where it has a refrigerant leak. Today we're gonna go and look for the leak. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to pressurize that system with nitrogen. I wanna see if I can hear any hissing. I'm gonna take my soapy solution and see if I can see any bubbles. And that'll be the first step. So I'm gonna take you along with me.
Requesting permission to come on board, sir.
They messed us up pretty good, didn't they?
Come on, buddy. Oh my God. Interesting.
I am convinced that people do not understand that it takes patience.
It's a puzzle.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Let's start here. Gonna add some refrigerant, pressurize it, and then we'll go look for the leaks. There we go. Just gotta be smarter than the service port. Smarter than the service valve.
Today's your lucky day, Junior.
Okay.
Firing up my pressure gauge. Releasing the nitrogen.
That's weird. No pressure. Oh, it's connected, isn't it? Hope it's not dead. It's connected. Is it that big of a leak?
I don't know. Please don't ask me that.
Now checking to see if there is any pressure on the suction line.
Oh, there's no pressure. It's crazy. It's gonna be an enormous leak. Oh yeah, there's definitely a big leak here. I can hear it. You hear it? I can smell it.
You'll find out in part to what I was
smell
smelling.
it, but where? That's crazy.
Spraying the coil with soapy solution to find a leak.
I don't know. I'm gonna throw it in there. You probably won't see it. no sense in wasting that nitrogen. Okay, so the air handler for sure is leaking big time. Like this thing won't even pressurize. It won't even pressurize. So I'm gonna let my friend know. This is one of my friends, so I'm sad to inform him that it has a leak. So now I'm gonna try to get him an air handler, and I'm gonna have to install that air handler for him. Okay, so I couldn't fix it today. I have to go and run some other calls because that air handler had a huge leak on that coil.
Oh, it's not true.
For a minute there, I thought that my gauge was bad, my pressure gauge, my probe. But after I pushed in on the core and nothing came out, that's how I knew. I said, oh no, it's gonna be a massive leak over at the air handler. And sure enough, it was. When I turned on the nitrogen, I just left it at a low volume. When I went to go and listen to the air handler, because I removed the covers, you can hear the air coming out just inside. But I contacted the vendor to see if it's still under warranty, and if it's not, to give me a price and availability. And we're gonna have to replace that air handler, unfortunately. So this is actually day 2, not a full day, you know. I just came in for like an hour or two and to check the stuff, and we'll get it fixed in the next one, okay? I promise.